We are here today in Nelspruit for the ribbon cutting ceremony of our first Wildhearts Africa StartHer Pelo Mosadi project opening. We took the team on a guided tour of the factory where the ladies are producing sanitary pads, some of which we will donate through Wildhearts Africa to the most vulnerable rural schools and areas in the country. So we obviously thought, as a responsible business and as Old Mutual Insure, this would be a fantastic project for us to get involved in, where we would assist the document warehouse and Wildhearts to effectively set up a factory where we can drive entrepreneurship and have these ladies also from poorer backgrounds start their own business and effectively help us through them solve this issue. And I think from our side, because this project actually touched on 11 out of the 17 Sustainable Development Goals that the UN has sent out, we thought that it would be a fantastic project for Old Mutual Insure to get involved in.
The strange part is it's such a simple product, but can do so many for so many girls, uplifting them. And I mean, I saw the enthusiasm of the people that saw the factory and is now committed to say we will support the factory, because we know that by supporting the factory, we are actually now supporting the girls to stay at school and for them to become women that one day they can lead their communities as well. And we were very, very fortunate and blessed that we got that SASA contract, where we go to all these villages every week to go and pick up paperwork. That opened the path that we can actually, as we go to these villages, we can just put the pads in there and deliver it to the schools in that area, which takes care of the distribution. And this has opened the whole door for us to put other products into it as well. We just spoke to people now and say, you know what, we combine it with soap, we can put other products in there as well. So that this distribution network is the one that makes this thing really work.
The highlights for me is the fact that we have employed, or we are able to employ 15 people in that factory. The overwhelming emotional connection that I feel from the stakeholders, the overwhelming need to keep girl children in school, to empower females, to bring back the dignity with girl children through their menstruation cycle has been absolutely amazing for me. My hope is that we create shared value, not just for Old Mutual Insure, because it's not only about Old Mutual, it's bigger than Old Mutual Insure. It's about businesses and corporates coming together to create the shared value for our economy, for our country, and even for the world, but most importantly, empowering our female entrepreneurs.
Old Mutual Insure appointed us as the service provider or partner to run the project management aspect, as well as the incubation program for Malaika Textile, trading as Wildhearts and Mpumalanga in Nelspruit. We had specific criteria that we wanted to achieve, which is really African females. We wanted it to be for women, by women. So the process with finding Albertina was really shortlisting, making sure we had the right energy levels, the people with entrepreneurship mindset that was hungry and driven to deliver.
It's like a dream come true. I never thought it will come to this, but when it happened, I was so thrilled. I'm over the moon. I'm looking forward to do my best so that the company can grow. Yeah, from where I was a month ago to where I am now, I would like to thank Old Mutual Insure, Wildheart Foundation, because honestly, I've got a direction in life. I'm saving people's life. The kids are so happy when you come to school. You can see the relief in their faces when you give them the product. So I want to thank Old Mutual Insure. I'd like to thank Wildhearts Foundation, and I would like to ask them to keep on empowering women, because when you empower women, you know that there's a family to feed. So it's a good way to go. Thank you.
When I found out that a third of girls drop out of school in South Africa just because they're having their periods, a fundamental part of being a young woman is the reason they drop out of school. I had to do something about it. But of course I'm from Scotland, what can I do alone in South Africa? And that's when the magic started happening. When we formed Wildhearts Foundation Africa and we brought executives from Old Mutual Insure on board, to Document Warehouse, and we formed this partnership of corporates that would come together to say, right, how can we take action for maybe perhaps from the outside looking in the most powerful people in South African society, executives in major companies, to then reach out to empower the most vulnerable girls in rural areas that feel that maybe nobody cares about them.
I honestly believe that this is a project that is so needed, but not is it just needed. If I look at the enthusiasm and the interest of it and how people have come together to able to do this, and with the help of Old Mutual that actually came to partner, they saw my dream and they came in and they made it reality. That is what I'm so grateful for.